In this video, we focus on some Austrian football buzzwords after the first and shortly before the second Europa League match between Tottenham and the Wolfsberger AC. Tottenham won the first match 4-1, so everyone knows who the favorite is. The Europa League match between Tottenham and Wolfsberg is a motivation for taking a closer look at some additional Austrian football buzzwords that deal with huge wins and disastrous defeats. The first buzzword is gmahde Wiesn. Any idea? Word for word, this means a lawn that has been mowed. In the context of football, this means a game that can be won easily. The next word is Kantersieg. What do you think? Kantersieg means a huge win. The third buzzword is watschen. Any wild guess? Literally, this means a punch in the face, but when it comes to football, watschen is a disgraceful defeat. The next term is Hundskick. Any idea? Word for word, this could be translated as dog football and just means a bad performance of a team. Finally, I'd like to close this tutorial with a positive word, and this is aufgeigen. Do you know what it means when it comes to football? Aufgeigen means a great performance of a team. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next tutorial and please subscribe.